Hey guys, I'm going to show you some examples from lesson 12-1, which is decimals to fractions. And what you are doing is converting your fractions into decimals. So this is my decimal form setup that is similar to your practice buddy. So remember, think of it as like money, okay? So before your decimal will be your whole number, which is your ones place, okay? Think back to the very beginning too when we talked about place value. So in our place value, we have our tenths place and our hundredths place. And then what would be next is our thousandths place, tens, hundredths, thousandths. And then it would be 10 thousandths and so forth. Okay, so also then think when you have a block like this for your examples, one block down is a set of 10 and it is the same across, okay, 10. So when it shows you examples when your base 10 blocks are shaded in, just know one full row is 10, and if it has single ones, just count those, okay? So for here, like our one example on Practice Buddy, so what it has is write a decimal and a fraction for the diagram. And the diagram shows me that I have 3 of these shaded in. So I know that's 10, 20, 30, and then it has actually one more, 40. So then it would have, and then it goes to right here. So then I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I would say 46. So how would I write that? 46 over 100. So 46 over 100 is my fraction. Okay, how would I write that in decimal form? So I would start in my tens place because my 4 would go in my tens place. 4 and 6. Okay, and I don't have a whole number, so nothing goes into my whole number. So that is one example. Okay, so then it gives you another example of 16 over 100. How can I write that in, this is my decimal, in decimal form? So I do not have a whole number, so no whole number, and then this is my tenths place, and this is my hundredths place. So then my 16 would go here. If you need to add the 0, you can, but make sure you please put your decimal. Another example is a word problem where it is saying Maria has $1.80 in dimes. Did she write that correctly? $1.80 in dimes. So she's asking herself, I know I have 18 dimes because one dime is, see what our options are. 1 dime is, what would 1 dime equal to? So we know 1 dime equals 10 cents. So what place value does my 10 start in? That starts in my tenths place. So you would say it starts in your tenths place, okay? And then your next question is going to ask you, how would you rewrite this? So writing 80 cents, they wrote it correctly. Okay, so making sure they have their decimal. So then, yes, this is written correctly. Making sure that she knows 80 cents equals or her 80 cents begins in her tenths place value. Also, there is another one where it says, it might say Glenn has a piggy bank, and then in her piggy bank she has $1, okay? And then she has 9 dimes. Well, we know 1 dime equals 10 cents. Okay, just count by tens and multiply. Or multiply. 9 times 10 is 90. So don't forget you have your whole dollar, so then you would just add your whole. So altogether they have $1.90. I do like to think of my decimal as an and symbol, just so you know. This is your whole number section, and then this is your change section as well. Okay, remember, again, you are starting at the tenths place and the hundredths place. And that should be some examples from your homework in 12-1. Again, if you guys need help, please let me know, and I would be happy to set up a one-on-one Zoom meeting with you guys to go over some more problems. Have a good day.